Earlier in my life, I probably wasn't as diligent as I should have been as far as getting to the dentist more regularly. So as time continued on, I started to get some breakdown within the teeth. For example, I had some fillings that were deteriorating. I had a crown that fractured, and that's really what brought me here. My dentist, that is another local dentist here in this city, said that I would need to go to an endo and I would need to get that extracted and go through all that. And that's when I decided to come and see Dr. Isabella, because I had heard that he was able to do both of those things that I was needing. I was afraid to smile. I would do everything I could to just cover my teeth with my lips when I spoke to people so that they couldn't see the imperfections in my smile.
Luke came to our practice because he had been unhappy with his smile for a long time. And so he ended up coming to us to get that smile he's wanted. And to do that, we used Invisalign orthodontics to move his teeth into a proper position. We wanted the space in between his teeth to be more even before we actually did the crowns and veneers on his front teeth to give him the smile that he wanted. And we were able to accomplish that by doing that orthodontics with Invisalign first, getting those teeth into that proper position so that he functioned well, and then we were able to actually get the porcelain veneers and crowns on his front teeth to get him that smile that he could be proud of, that he could show off to people.
Part of the treatment was I was wearing Invisalign, and it was so noticeable. I could see the changes, almost day to day, but certainly from week to week. So that was encouraging. And then when we went in and moved forward with more of the cosmetic and the veneering and so forth, that's when it was like, holy buckets, what took me so long to get this done?